my Kostya? Why did you say you kissed the ground I walked on? I ought to be killed! 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 I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I wish I could rest. I wish I could rest. Seagull. No, that's not it. Is he also here? Oh, it doesn't matter to me anymore. He didn't believe in me. He was laughing at my dreams. He didn't believe in the theater. Little by little, I stopped believing me. I became trivial, common sense, this jealousy. I was acting without thinking, without feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know what to do with my body. I couldn't control my voice. I couldn't control me. You cannot imagine what you feel when you act badly. Badly. I really hated me. Seagull. No, that's not it. You remember a story? You remember? You shot the seagull and you left it at my feet. And he came. He took a seagull and he said, "Oh, imagine a girl like you living on the shores around the lakes, and then once a man comes and he destroys her. A subject for a short story, you know. I'm a seagull, you know, I'm a real seagull." No, you know what? What I was talking about. About the acting. Now I'm different. I act with delight, with rapture. And when I'm on stage, I feel I'm drunk. And I think I'm wonderful. I'm wonderful and strong. And now I'm walking around here and thinking that every day I become stronger, stronger. And at an hour walk, I was thinking before that fame and glory, that's important, but that's not true. You know what's important? It doesn't matter whether you're a writer or an actor. You know what's important? Not fame and glory, the things I was dreaming about, but longing to suffer, to aim you, to understand another people, to feel them, to be deep. And now I'm bear your cross. And when I think of my face, I don't suffer so much. And when I keep thinking of my calling, I'm not afraid of life anymore.